coast to West Sussex. We're on site, this really beautiful big plot with our mates Mike and Ali from Bartley Landscape Design. And they're working on the renovation of this property. There's loads going on with this house. This is an area where all the houses are much more up together than this place, and the owners here have brought this on as a project, and they're doing some extensive renovation work, some of which includes the parts that we're involved with. So they're going to go for our Italian Mottisfont light tile, like a mottled white, like tumbled edge porcelain tile. And one of the reasons they've gone for that is not just because they love it, but they're actually matching it internally with the same tile inside the house in a 10mm sort of internal version. So you have like a section of the property that flows from inside out. There's going to be a new conservatory built. You can see the footing sort of base for that, sort of like an orangery. And in there is going to have the Mottisfont light tiles, and they'll just flow straight outside. So on sunny days like today, when you're cooking inside and entertaining, the outside just flows into the inside. That should be pretty cool. And Mike and Ali are now busy grading sort of the back of the house. Around that area is going to be a section of like self-binding Cotswold path gravel, and then it's going to lead onto a bit on the side, which I've got on the drone view. And that area is going to be probably the coolest bit from my point of view, because it's got a few of our different products in there. The Mottisfont light tile. Ali's building a bench with cedar, and that bench is going to be clad with some of our Bolderwood cladding in a cool colour. And they're also going to have a fire pit in there and a Scandinavian hot tub around there. So that'll be like a little sanctuary space. And when that's finished, I'll absolutely love showing you that. Then the driveway is also going to have a lot of stuff done. It's going to be edged with our Bartley grey pavers, and they're also going to be featuring as an edging around the patio terrace areas around there. But yeah, beautiful early spring day. Really looking forward to coming back and showing you this.